The Stencil VR app that I use to project my art just got a new update, and I'm gonna show you how we can use it with the new tools. Today I'm showing the curved walls feature. Right now we can project the art with curved walls. I didn't try it yet. We're gonna try it firsthand right now in this video. I'm a traveling muralist. I painted murals in more than 12 countries and I post everything here on my YouTube. So just subscribe, put a like in this video. And in my projects, I'm always using a VR headset. And on my projects, I'm always using the VR headset on my process. So in the past 6 months, I'm doing a lot of content about how is to use it, how you can project. I'm doing also tutorials and posting here on YouTube. And today we're gonna see how it works on real life. I found a really nice wall here. This is a curved wall that I found. I like to go big. Is this the reason that why we are on the streets, to find a really big wall, to see that really happening? Everything that we need is to open the Stencil VR. And this is the best app that you can have to project your art. Also, if you want 10% code on this app, just use my code. So let's put your hands and start to work. One thing that I like about this app is that I just need the internet once. So I was at home and I just uploaded my designs on the website, the Stencil VR website. And right now I'm on the streets without internet, without Wi-Fi, and I already have the designs here. So this is good when you are working outside on the streets and you don't have internet. You just need to upload this once, and once you have it, you just use the VR where you want without internet, and all your designs will be already on a library. I think this is so easy to work on. So this is another reason why I'm using this app. So let's try on and start to do what we came to do right now. So first step is to open our Stencil VR. I love this app. I'm like, okay, we have something new. Now we need to scan the room before to start the mural. This is something new. We didn't have to do that before. And also I need to take care because cars are passing by. Here we are. We have the scan already. Now let's find an art that will match with the surface. I have a perfect one. This is so nice. I will open my library. I will use camera. I will use the one or the number 1 or number 2?
Both.
Okay, this is the number 2. And as I like to do, I use the controller to scan and place my design. I will see where is the middle of this wall. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the middle of my wall. Here we are. Let me ask my... You saw that my monitor was so far away, so I just used the menu button and I pressed it until I have it beside of me. So let's go there. I will start scaling it. Where is my design? Where is it? Wait. Olha lá. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Não sei o que passou. Okay, next, let's scale it super big. So big. You know something? No, the art will be better. I realized that the another art don't have the scale that I want, so let's change for this one. We're gonna come back here, put your design, Whoa, this is really beautiful. Let's make it big. Like really big. Way too big. Before everything, I will rotate it to be sure that it's aligned. It's harder to do that without to do the curved. As you can see the curved wall and you can see my design. They are not matching, you know? So let's try our new tool that is shape. Ooh la la! So we're gonna shape it, or I need to turn it around 360 because they are doing opposite. So let's turn it around. Now we can. I almost died. Gracias por decirme. So now we're gonna shape it as we want, okay? Wow! This is insane! This is really nice, but I will scale a little bit less, I guess. Okay, let's scale to fit the wall. I think we need to shape it a little bit less curved. Now I just need to do a little bit of adjustments. So let's do it. Now I will scale it again. I'm like scaling more. I think this is more the tricky part because you need to do all the adjustments. But after you do that, everything is perfect, aligned on the wall. So let's rotate it again. Wow! Wow! This is amazing! Like, I will put anchor it. I will save anchor. You remember that before when I was looking to the wall, I could see the curved wall and my stencil was there. Right now, I literally have my stencil on my curved wall. This is just amazing. Oh my God! Like I can draw it. Whoa! I just love it. I'm curious to see how small I can go because I went super big. So I'm just wondering if I can do a small canvas. This is something that I want to do. I still want to do a video showing how to use the stencil on small canvas. That's possible to do. So this will happen. This will happen. Let's go far away. Wow. This is phenomenal. I think I could curve it a little bit more, to be honest, here. But this is amazing. Since we already tried it, let's try something even more challenging. Let's find another curved walls and see how it works in different surfaces, smaller surface. Because now I'm too excited Now I'm too excited with this new feature. So let's keep doing this challenge with our new tool. Come with me. And if you want to see how I use this new tool in a swimming pool, just write here in the comments, give a like. If I have a lot of reactions, I will do this video where I made this crazy thing about trying this new update in the swimming pool full of water. So see you in the next video.